Oh, that was quick. Second duel of the night. Damn it. And I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. For new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! I think I want to save Lancia. Yeah. Prank kids. Uh-oh. Butler or Rocket Ride. And then those prank kids is gonna activate their effect and then place meow meow. Prank kids meow meow. No, oh what the totally awesome. I was not expecting that. 2 dropsies. Yeah. There's the meow meow. Wow. That's awesome. Nova. Toad. Oh god. Contribute himself. Okay. Oh, and then he takes my card, yeah. What the? What's happening? Get one. Oh, okay. He's gonna quick effect. Yeah, pandemonium. Is he gonna do the butler now? Prank Kids Battle Butler. Or the letter washer. No. Okay. I knew it. Battle Butler. And dropsies. Okay. Yeah. Jeez. They just replace themselves once they're used for a fusion or link of a Prank Kids monster. What the f... So probably this guy, level 2s. Do a rank 4. They're not tuners, so he has one meow meow in there. Okay. Instead of attributing itself for a cost, it would be meow meow instead. Oh, what the f... Still my turn, right? I thought it was his turn. Another... This a once per turn? Oh yeah. Leather washer. Oh shit. Oh no! I could have did his effect too, mother. Oh, he's gonna win now, for sure. Yeah, he's gonna win. That's over. Oh man, I screwed up. You guys got this. He's got this, yeah. Come on. They're for me. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Foolish. Alpha. Yeah, foolish alpha. Zeta gamma. Zeta add. Ritual. DRYTRON switcheroony. Alpha. Benton. Gamma. Tribute Benton. Special. Activate effect. Special. Benton. Oh man. I'm trying to get the other Benton. Union carrier. Oh. Uh-oh. Activate effect, target himself. He's got imperm, does he? Kryptonite. I'm sending Gamma or Delta in there. Medium DRYTRON. Fuck, I knew it. I fucking knew it. God dang it. What the f... Tell me I did not lose a rank. What the heck is this? My last rank was... Oh, I didn't lose a rank. Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yes, I was gonna lose anyways, but I'm still 1321. That is awesome. I'm gonna upload this, I don't care. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.